Hey everybody, Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and PressureWashingSchool.com. And out here, it's Father's Day, Sunday, January, whatever it is. Leaving a job that we have been doing. We came out and cleaned the building yesterday, and Ramondo did the parking lot and all the concrete a couple of nights this past week. But it's been kind of jam-packed. I've been busy getting ready for Atlanta. So that's coming up this week, this week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And so I came out this morning to do some touch-up on the windows. I didn't like how they looked yesterday when I left. So just came out to do that. As a matter of fact, let me flip this camera around so y'all can see some of the stuff. All right, so yeah, we cleaned all this concrete, the building. The bank has been sold, or the building has been sold. The bank that used to be here, I guess they closed up. And this is in Houston. Whoop, my phone mount's trying to fall. What happens when you buy cheap? Well, I'll just hold it. Cheap phone mounts. Anyway, so yeah, I just came out and did these windows, and let's go around here. Let's see if I can get my truck. I don't know. I hate doing stuff in a truck. See, a lot of people do videos in trucks, so all of these windows, that was a pain. Used a water-fed pole on it, and so yeah, did all this concrete, all this building. And my main point, I'm just kind of jibber-jabbering here, but a lot of this stuff we're going to go over in Atlanta because we're going to be cleaning a church that's probably a little bit smaller than this, but not much. It has a shingle roof. I mean, it's like a big old house. So all these kind of things we're going to be going over. As a matter of fact, when we got to the job, we didn't have water supplies. So even though when I came out and looked at it, it did. So we'll talk about that. And we're actually going to be cleaning the building. And we're going to cleaning the church building, some concrete. We'll clean some of the roof to teach you guys how we clean roofs and all of that. And so that's on Thursday. Concrete cleaning, of course, property protection. And then Friday, Jeffrey Blackman is coming out to do the parking lot striping training. He and Peyton will be there, so you'll have some classroom time on that, and as well as hands-on training out in the parking lot where you get to use the equipment. As a matter of fact, they're coming out here either tomorrow night or Monday to stripe this parking lot and get it ready for whatever they're going to do with this. I think another bank outfit has bought it. And so, yeah, we also cleaned the dumpster area out here. It had a lot of trash in it. I think somebody was living in it. So we got it all cleaned up as well. But I'm looking forward to seeing everybody in Atlanta. I just wanted to pop on. I will tell you one thing. One of the ways I clean these windows, especially up in this area, I used it was kind of hard to finagle my water-fed pole and the hose that falls off of it and all kind of stuff, or the hose that is used to deliver the water. So I just used a green soft brush and some Dougie Fresh on the windows. And then I've got one of those deionizers that you can get from CR Spotless is where I got it many, many years ago. And that's what I used. I soaked them down really good with soap and then just rinsed it with my garden hose hooked up to the deionizer and rinse the windows off, and they'll dry spotless and streakless, just like if you're using a water-fed pole. It was just a lot easier to do that because I could get in between these a lot easier with not using the water-fed pole and that hose that hangs off of it and getting the tangled mess and all that kind of stuff. So I used to use that solely many years ago, but even on residential windows, but water-fed poles came along, and so we started using that but for this job, just between these little decorative stone columns, I decided to use that. So anyway, tell you what, guys, if y'all can make it to Atlanta, it's going to be a great training for you. Saturday, we're having the Difference Makers Conference. That's going to be all about your business, nothing about cleaning. I'm actually going to take y'all through an estimate process. The people that attend that will get to have access to all the documents that I use for quoting, whether it's residential, commercial, tons of other documents that will help them in their business. So if you're starting out a business or you've been in business for a while, a lot of this stuff will help you guys. So that's Atlanta, June 20th through the 22nd. Kathy and I are leaving early Tuesday morning and get in late Tuesday. We got a lot of things to do Wednesday to get ready for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So hope you guys can make it. Go to pressurewashingschool.com/events.com, and that's where you can register right there. If you have any questions, email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com. By the way, shout out to all you window cleaners out there, man. I've been trying to work on teaching myself how to use a squeegee, and it's very frustrating. I know it takes practice, and that's one of the problems. I don't get practice much, but I tried it on these two windows, and it worked okay. I mean, they're clean, which is the main thing, but it is an art. I mean, it's you guys that can do that, climb the mountain and wagtail and whatever those other things are called. I'm just now starting to study up on some of that and watch some videos of other guys that do it. That's an art. So hats off to you. I used the water-fed pole, like I said, on all those other windows, and even around the water-fed pole around the front door windows. And then my soap brush and CR spotless thing for those that were between those columns. But back here, took some time and did some practicing with my squeegees, and I just thought, wow, how do those guys do this? So shout out to you guys. I'm going to keep practicing. I'm going to get it. How to plumb and install a topaz float valve.